Hello folks, it's Lance from JR Jeep here. I hope everybody had a really good Memorial Day weekend. I know we're out of it now. I myself went up to the Tigerton OHV Park in Tigerton, Wisconsin, and did do a little bit of what we build these things up for, which is quite frankly off-roading and rock crawling. So I'm glad to say it lived up to the build I'd done so far. And do some of the major obstacles, but I did a lot and I felt very accomplished with that. Unfortunately, my back was giving issues all this last week, so I didn't get as much in as I wanted to, but it was still a great time and enjoyed being with the groups that were up there. And I call out to the spotters, they do an awesome job. So why am I reaching out to you today? Well, I thought I'd share, like most times during Memorial Day, many of the companies we deal with or look to deal with in the future run deals. And it so happens one of the companies I've dealt with before, Setpower, has run a heck of a deal for the Memorial Day weekend. And that is basically on their fridges, up to 45% off. Now I run the FC20 here, and I also have a PT55. That's a dual zone bigger. But this thing stays in the Jeep pretty much all the time. It is great for those couple day trips. It's nice when you're just motoring around. Maybe you see a meat shop or a cheese shop. You just want to sit there and put it away, or you're going out for a picnic. Don't have to deal with ice. Don't have to deal with the food getting wet in the ice, replenishing the ice. Just keeps it nice and constantly cold. You hitch these up to battery packs. I use the Blue Yetis, but there's many good options out there. And something else I am going to talk about soon is battery packs that are made for this, that Setpower actually makes for them. They're really handy. So I would check out their website. I'll put the link in below. That sale is only going till tomorrow, so that's why I wanted to get this out to you today, so you had some time to look into it. So I hope this is of some help to you. If you found this helpful, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. I have much more content coming, including the second day's adventures on the Trans-Wisconsin Adventure Trail, which I took at the end of last month. So till next time, folks, great to see you. Talk to you soon.